Hello everyone. I'll discuss peer graded assignment for this course managing machine learning projects. Now the opportunity which I've identified is that on our company's website too many leads are generated and many of which are bad quality. Now the sales team put a lot of effort on this bad quality leads which are finally rejected as well. In this process, many good quality leads are not touched for more than 24 hours and it leads to a loss of revenue. So to save sales team effort and increase revenue and improve the conversion, we should build a lead scoring model that rank the leads based on the probability of conversion, and only the top leads are actually handled by the sales team. For the leads which are very low on probability to conversion, we can use a automated process which can just send an email to these leads. And this is an attractive opportunity because it's a there is a problem, genuine problem, that sales team is overburdened, and machine learning can definitely help solve this issue. And the sales manager is actually willing to improve the conversion of the lead, so they are also quite interested in this. The next part is crisp DM business understanding. So the problem statement is to create a model which gives the probability of lead conversion for the leads generated on the website, and the success outcome would be improve in conversion by the sales team on the leads where calls are being made. So earlier, when there were too many leads and we didn't know which leads are more likely to convert, so many of those efforts were not generating any conversion. So now, when there would be a focus, uh, calling on the conversion should improve. So that is the success criteria or outcome. That should be the outcome. Output metrics would be the decile analysis. Actually, we can do a decile analysis on our models and look at the percentage of converted lead in the top two deciles. So if out of all the leads, only the top two deciles are actually uh, uh, handled by the sales team, then there should be very high conversion on those two deciles of the lead. So we can come up with a cutoff probability, and any lead above that probability will go to directly to the sales team. And the relevant factor here could be origin country of lead. So if the lead is coming from our source market where we are targeting our marketing spending, destination country where they want to actually go, number of passenger, how many uh, people they want to go along with, the budget, the lead source, day of the week, etc. So these are the few relevant factors. Solution validation plan, if we talk about that, then we'll have to start with collecting the data, and then we'll have to identify the converted cases. So maybe directly in the leads data we may not have the converted flag, so we'll have to look for the conversion data set and then do a mapping to identify which of those leads have actually converted. Then we have to trade missing data and outlier. So some of these feature may not have any value, so we'll have to uh, treat the missing data, and some of those values can also be randomly added by the leads on the website. So for example, budget, someone may enter a budget which is not relevant at all, so those kind of outliers we need to treat. Then categorical features we'll have to treat by one hot encoding or level encoding. EDA, will have to do the EDA to identify which features are more predictable, and then we'll present the findings to the business to understand if it is in line with their business understanding. We'll try different models and compare the result using decile analysis. And if the results are not expected, then we'll connect with the business to understand if we can add a few additional feature as well to the data set to enhance the performance of the model. The ML system design in this case would be a mix of cloud offline. So the model would be on cloud, because the leads needs to be scored instantaneously when it is generated through the website, and then the model would be trained every 3 6 month uh, offline. Okay, and to ensure that the performance of the model is as per expectation, and predictions would be online, and every new lead would be predicted instantaneously. Potential risk in production. So there can be two major risks which I can think of right now. So if there is a change in distribution of the data on which the model is trained versus the data on which predictions are made, then it can happen due to change in marketing spend. So the conversion, so while building the model, if the conversion from a particular channel was high, later on, if we are focusing more on another channel, then this change in distribution will have to then adjust the model. So that is one risk. Also, if there is a change in customer behavior, then the model performance may degrade and we will have to retrain the model on the latest data. So that's all from my side. Thank you.